We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 9 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on cumulative assessment tips. In today's session, I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, quizzes, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Tips. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Tips. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. The Excel workbook contains circular reference. When you open the file, an error message display. The error will be resolved as part of the project. Firstly, we will have to start Excel, download and open this file. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about the tip left column in the Friday worksheet contains a fill color and number formatting. You want to fill these formats to the other daily worksheets. Group the Friday through Monday worksheets. Starting with the Friday worksheets, fill the format only for the range E5 to E24. In this step, we have to group the worksheets from Friday to Monday. Starting by the Friday, go to the Excel worksheet. We have to group these worksheets starting by Friday. So firstly, we will select the Friday worksheet. Now we have to group all these worksheets: Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Now these worksheets are grouped. After grouping these sheets, we have to fill the format only for the range E5 to E24. We will select this range, go to the Excel worksheet and select this range from E5 to E24. Go to the Home tab. In Editing group, go to the Fill and select Across worksheet. We have to just fill the format only. So we will select Format, click OK. Step number 2 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about now you want to insert column totals for the 5 worksheets simultaneously. With the worksheet still grouped, insert sum function in the range B25 to E25 and apply the total cell styles. Ungroup the worksheets. In this step, we have to insert sum function in the range B25 to E25 and then we have to format it by applying the total cell style. After applying this, we have to ungroup worksheets. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here in B25 to E25, we have to enter a sum function. So here we will enter the sum function in cell B25. It will calculate the sum of all these values. So we will select from B5 to B24. Press enter. It will calculate sum of all these values by using this function. Same, we will use this formula in C25. By selecting this range. We will use the sum function in cell D25 by selecting the range from D5 to D24. Press enter. Same, use the function in cell E25. Now we have to apply the total cell style on these cells. So select all these cells. Go to the Home tab. In Styles group, we will select it. We have to apply total cell style. So click on total. After applying the total cell style, it will look like this. Now ungroup the worksheets. Select any one worksheet, do right click on it and select the ungroup sheets. It will ungroup all these sheets. Step number 3 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about the week worksheet is designed to be a summary sheet. You want to insert a hyperlink to the total heading in the Monday worksheet. On a week worksheet in cell A5, insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Monday worksheet with the screen tip text Monday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it works correctly. In this step, we have to just insert a hyperlink to cell A25 with display the screen tips as a text as a Monday's total. After applying the test hyperlink, we have to test the hyperlink to ensure that it works correctly. So go to the Excel worksheets. On week worksheet in cell A5, we have to insert a hyperlink. So we will select the cell A5, do right click on it. We will select hyperlink. After showing the hyperlink box, here we have to insert a hyperlink to cell A25. So we will select the cell A25. We have to apply it on Monday worksheet and screen tip is Monday's total. So we will apply it on Monday worksheet and screen tip is, you will write screen tip text is Monday's totals. Click OK. Now we will click OK here. So it will create a insert a hyperlink. So we will test it to ensure that it works correctly. After clicking on this, it will go to the Monday worksheet. So this hyperlink works correctly. Step number 4 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about in cell A6 on the week worksheet, insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Tuesday worksheet with the screen tip text Tuesday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. So in this step we have to insert a hyperlink on the week worksheet. So go to the week worksheet in cell A6, we have to insert a hyperlink. So do right click on it, select the hyperlink. We have to insert a hyperlink to cell A25. We have to apply it on Tuesday worksheet with the screen tip text Tuesday's totals. So we have to apply it on Tuesday worksheet and screen tip is Tuesday's totals. Click OK. Click OK. It will apply the hyperlink to the cell A6. We have to ensure that it works correctly. So do right click on it. It will go to the Tuesday worksheet. It means it works correctly. So step number 5 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about in cell A7, insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Wednesday worksheet with the screen tip text Wednesday totals. Test the hyperlink to ensure it works correctly. Same in cell A7, we have to insert a hyperlink and then test it. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell A7, do right click on it. We have to insert a hyperlink, so we will right click on it and select hyperlink. We have to apply it on cell A25. We will apply it on Wednesday worksheet with the screen tip text Wednesday total. So we will select the Wednesday worksheet and display the screen tip as Wednesday totals. Click OK. Now we have to ensure that it's worked correctly or not. So we will do right click on it. It will go to the Wednesday worksheet. Step number 6 is completed. Move to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about in cell A8 insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Thursday worksheet with the screen tip text Thursday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it works correctly. So in this step we have to same as we done in the step number 4, 5 and 6. We have to apply the hyperlink to cell A in cell A8. So go to the week worksheet. Select the cell A8, do right click on it, select hyperlink. We will select the cell A25. We have to apply it on Thursday worksheet and write the screen tips, that is Thursday total. So we will select this text, that is Thursday total. Go to the Excel worksheet, it's Thursday's totals. We will test this link by clicking on it. It will go to the Thursday worksheet. It means it works correctly. Step number 7 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is about in cell A9 insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Friday worksheet with the screen tip text Friday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it works correctly. In this step basically we have to just insert a hyperlink in cell A9. Go to the Excel worksheet in cell A9. We will do right click on it, select the hyperlink, and we will give the cell reference, that is A25, and select the worksheet Friday. We have to display the screen tips, that is Friday's total. So select it, Friday's total, click OK, click OK. It will apply the hyperlink to the cell A9. Click on it for ensure that it's work correctly. So now we test all these hyperlinks, it will work correctly. Move to the next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is about now you are ready to insert reference to cells in the individual worksheets. First you will insert a reference to Monday's food total in cell B5 on the week worksheet. Insert a formula with 3-day reference to cell B25 in the Monday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C5 to E5. So in this step we have to insert the references. In cell B5 on the week worksheet, go to the Excel worksheet. In the week worksheet in cell B5, we have to insert the reference, 3D reference to the cell B25 in the Monday worksheet. So we will write here equal and go to the Monday worksheet, select the cell B25. Press enter. It will insert values here from Monday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. Go to the copy the formula to the range C5 to E5. So we have to copy this formula from C5 to E5. Step number 9 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 10. Step number 10 is about the next formula will display the totals for Tuesday. In cell B6, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell B25. In the Tuesday worksheet, copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. In this step, we have to insert a reference in cell B6. So go to the Excel worksheet. In cell B6, we will write equal and we have to insert a formula from cell B25 in the Tuesday worksheet. So go to the Tuesday worksheet. Here we will select the cell B25. Press enter. Now it will insert the values from the Tuesday worksheet. We have to copy the formula to the range C6 to E6. So copy this from C6 to E6. Moving to the next step, that is step number 11. Step number 11 is about in cell B7, insert a formula with 3D reference to cell B25 in the Wednesday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C7 to E7. In this step, we have to insert a formula in cell B7. So write equal here. We have to insert a reference for the cell B25 in Wednesday worksheet. So go to the Wednesday worksheet. We will select the cell B25 and press enter. It will display value here. We have to copy it from C7 to E7. 7 to E7. Moving to the next step, that is step number 12. Step number 12 is about in cell B8, insert a formula with the 3D references to the cell B25 in Thursday worksheet. Same in this step, we have to just enter a reference from cell B25 in Thursday worksheet. Go to the Excel worksheet. In cell B8, we will write equal and go to the Thursday worksheet. We will select the cell B25 and press enter. It will insert values here. We have to copy it from cell B8 to E8. Step number 12 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 13. Step number 13 is about in cell B9, insert a formula with a 3D reference to cell B25 in Friday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. Go to the Excel worksheet. Here we will write equal. Go to the Friday worksheet and select the cell B25. Press enter. It will insert value here. Now copy it from cell B9 to E9. Step number 13 is completed. Total steps in this assignment is 27. I have done 13 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description or display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos.